Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction with popular features. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.